let's dive into the third step then, which is deliverability. So talk us through, what that is and why it's so important.
Yeah, deliverability is also omnipresence. So it's, do you have the content to deliver? So if we start with the audience once again, is when the audience is looking at me because I'm standing where they're looking, and I've demonstrated that they should be listening to me, as you said earlier on, which is a brilliant point. Do I have the content that solves their problem? Or do I have the content that indicates and proves to them that I solved their problem? And can I invite them down the funnel to come to my website, to converse with me, or to convert indeed on my website? We talk more and more about touch points. It used to be 3, then it was 7, then it was 15, now it's 20, maybe it's 30, who knows? The point is, when somebody's researching something in order to find the solution to their problem, they're looking around in multiple places. So somebody might see me on LinkedIn. They say, yeah, he's credible. I've listened to that. Then they go on YouTube. They see me again. I demonstrate my credibility. They see the same or a similar offer. Then they think, well, I'm not sure. I'm going to search on Google or I'll ask ChatGPT. If they ask ChatGPT, who is the world expert in knowledge panels, it will say Jason Barnard.
Yeah.
And they say, okay, this guy is obviously the person for this because everywhere I look, I see him.
Yeah.
That is omnipresent deliverability. I have the right content in the right places that mean that I get those 30, 40, 50, 60, it doesn't matter, touch points.
Yeah.
And that is when you absolutely nail your market. You're unavoidable.
Yeah.
If we come back to a really important point is some people want the omnipresence before they've done phases 1 and 2. You cannot build solid omnipresence that's reliable across your audience, across your digital ecosystem, and across these machines, Google, ChatGPT, Bing, Perplexity, and Claude, if you don't have that foundational understanding that's solid and confident and accurate, and you don't have everybody's belief in your credibility. If you've got those, then the omnipresence and the deliverability makes total sense and will drive huge amounts of business.